We have father, ab. Ab, it's very simple, A-B, ab. Mother, om. Brother, akh. Sister, ukht. So far we have ab, akh, ukht. Perfect. Next slide we have grandfather, jadd. Grandmother, jadda. Son, ibn. Daughter, ibna. So we have jadd, jadda, ibn, ibna. Next slide. We have some extended family members here. We have am for uncle, amma, aunt, amma. Okay, this is on the father's side. We have uncle and aunt from the mother's side. For uncle from mother's side, we say khal, and then khala. Amma, khal, khala. Great. Last slide we have here, cousin for male and cousin for female. Let's start with the male. Ibn am. Cousin female, ibnatu am. Okay, so we have ibnu am, ibnatu am. Okay, great. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We're gonna continue working on these and create more videos about other topics. Thank you so much for watching. This was Professor Yunus, and let's keep learning.